Countries, nationalities, language. Brazil is a country. Nationality of Brazil is Brazilian. In Brazil, we speak Portuguese. Germany is a country. The nationality of Germany is German. In Germany, we speak German. Canada is a country. The nationality of Canada is Canadian. In Canada, we speak English and French. Countries, nationalities, languages. So languages in this first column on the right hand side, in the middle nationalities, and countries on the left hand side. Canada, country. Nationality, Canadian. Languages, English and French. United States, American, English. Italy, Italian, Italian. Brazil, Brazilian, Portuguese. Germany, German, German. England, English, English. United Kingdom, British, English. Scotland, Scottish, English. Spain, Spanish, Spanish. Israel, Israeli, Hebrew. Argentina, Argentine, Spanish. Bolivia, Bolivian, Spanish. Cambodia, Cambodian, Cambodian. Chile, Chilean, Spanish. Vietnam, Vietnamese, Vietnamese. Denmark, Danish, Danish. Colombia, Colombian, Spanish. Ecuador, Ecuadorian, Spanish. Egypt, Egyptian, Arabic. El Salvador, Salvadorian, Spanish. Estonia, Estonian, Estonian. Where are you from? I'm from Quebec, Canada. What is your nationality? I'm Canadian. What language do you speak? I speak English and French. Where are you from? I am from Boston, USA. What's your nationality? I'm American. What language do you speak? I speak English. Where are you from? I'm from Rio, Brazil. What is your nationality? I'm Brazilian. What language do you speak? I speak Portuguese and English. Pablo and Mika. Pablo. Where are you from, Mika? I'm from Japan. Where are you from? I'm from Spain, from Barcelona. His name's Pablo. He's from Spain. Her name's Mika. She's from Japan. What's his name? His name's Pablo. Where is he from? He is from Spain. What's her name? Her name's Mika. Where is she from? She's from Japan. Questions. Where's he from? Or where is he from? Okay. 1 to 8. 1. His name's Kevin. He's from the United States. His name's Laszlo. He's from Hungary. Her name's Karima. She's from Egypt. 4. Her name's Tatiana. She's from Russia. 5. Her name's Rosalie. She's from Brazil. 6. His name's Simon. He's from England. 7. His name's Yong. He's from China. 8. Her name's Haley. She's from Australia. What's his name? His name is. What is her name? Her name is. Where is she from? She is from. Where is he from? He is from. Complete the conversation. Rosalie. Hello, I'm Rosalie. What's your name? My name's Bruno. Hello, Bruno. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from Brazil too. I'm from São Paulo. Really? I'm from São Paulo too. Oh, nice to meet you, Bruno. Where are they from? Listen to the audio, write in your book. Claudio.
I'm Claudio. I'm from Italy.
Hello, Claudio. I'm Akemi from Japan.
2. Hello, my name's Charles. What's your name?
Hi, Charles. I'm Bud. I'm from the United States. Where are you from?
I'm from London, in England.
Oh, right. I'm from Chicago.
3.
Hi, I'm Loretta. I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Hi, Loretta. I'm Jason. I'm from Australia too.
Oh, wow. Are you from Sydney?
No, I'm from Melbourne.
Answers: Italy, Japan, England, USA, Australia. Where are they from? This is a photograph of Claude and Holly Duval from Montreal in Canada. They are on holiday in New York City. Holly is from Canada and Claude is from France. They are married. Holly is a teacher. Her school is in the center of Montreal. Claude is a doctor. His hospital is in the center of Montreal too. Complete the sentences. Holly is from Montreal in Canada. She's a teacher. Her school is in the center of Montreal. Claude is from France. He's a doctor. His hospital is in the center of Montreal. They are in New York. They are married. Or I can say they are on holiday. Write questions with what and where about Claude and Holly. Ask a partner. What's his name? What's her name? Where's her school? Where is she from? Where is he from? Where is his hospital? Complete the statements. Awful weather. Oh no, look at the weather. Ugh, it's awful. Wow, look at my hamburger. It's fantastic. My hamburger is really good too. What's this building? It's the Empire State Building. It's fantastic. Wow, look at Central Park. It's beautiful. Numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Numbers 21 to 100. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Look at the pictures. Write the numbers. A. 3 books. B. 7 erasers. C. 2 teachers. D. 8 chairs. E. 10 pens. F. 6 markers. G. 1 student. H. 9 books. I. 4 desks. J. 5 pictures. Write the numbers. A. 15. B. 19. C. 18. D. 14. E. 16. F. 20. G. 12. H. 13. I. 17. J. 11. 3. Write the numbers. A. 31. B. 63. C. 42. D. 55. E. 86. F. 94. G. 77. H. 49. I. 58. J. 37. K. 41. L. 99. M. 82. N. 75. O. 68. P. 60. Guided conversation. Create new conversations. Use the photo. Okay, so look at the pictures. On the side, Hannah is South Korea, Sue Turkey, Gun China, Sandra Colombia, Danielle Mexico, Julie Canada. Choose some of these characters and create a new conversation. Look at the pictures. Write questions with where. Write answers with be in. Use question marks and periods. China. Where is she? She's in China. Where is he? He is in Quito, Ecuador. Where are they? They are in Egypt. Where is she? She is in Pisa, Italy. Where are you? Complete a statement. I'm. Three conversations. Seven's real name is Choi Dong-wook, but his nickname is Seven. Seven is an interesting name. He's Korean, and his hometown is Seoul. He's totally awesome. Selena Gomez is a singer and an actor from the United States. Selena's mother is an actor, too. She's American from an Italian family. Selena's father is from Mexico. My favorite Selena Gomez song is Send It On. Oh, my two other favorite singers are Demi Lovato and Miley Cyrus. Alexandre is an athlete. He's a soccer player. He's from my country, Brazil. Alexandre's real family name is Rodrigues da Silva. but his nickname is Pato because he's from Pato Branco. Pato Branco is a city in the state of Paraná. Complete each statement. Circle the correct word or phrase. Okay, according to the text above. Seven's name is Seoul, South Korea. Choi Dong-wook. So his name is Choi Dong-wook. His nationality is South Korean or Korean? He is Korean. Sue's favorite Selena Gomez song is Demi Lovato or Send It On. Favorite song is Send It On. Miley Cyrus and Demi Lovato are Sue's other favorite singers or Selena Gomez's friends? Sue's other favorite singers. Selena Gomez's father is Mexican or Italian? Mexican. Pato Branco is Alexandre Pato's nickname or hometown. Pato Branco is his hometown. Alexandre Pato is Brazilian or Brazil? He is Brazilian.